Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, ma'am.
How are you, sir?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I am fine, sir. Sir, I am listening with my sir. I am listening with my sir. Baba phone.
Okay.
Good evening, sir. మా బాబాయ్ వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నారు సార్.
Okay. Good evening. Srita.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, good evening. Good evening, everyone. I am muting everyone first. Karthikeyan, unmute.
Sir.
The fractions which have 10, 100, 1000 and so on as denominators are called dash.
Sir, decimal fractions.
Decimal fractions. Okay, very good, Karthikeyan. Tanvi,
Yes, sir.
place value charting decimal decimal fractions. Place value charting decimal fractions.
Okay, sir. 10,000s, thousands, hundred, hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds, thousandth, 10,000.
Okay, and sort. Right, okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, Abrar.
Yes, sir. Sir, I
Places
don't
in.
have notes. Yes, sir.
Okay, just listen and give answers. Places in Indian system are.
Side system: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore.
Okay. Very good, Abrar. Keep it up. Nityasri.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening, ma. 10 thousands. 10 thousands. Make a dash.
Sir,
10 thousands.
10 thousands.
Not thousands. Thousands.
100.
100th. 100th. Say once again. Yes.
100th.
Yes. Now okay. Good. Yes. Right. Sai Mandeep. Sai Mandeep. Unmute.
Sir, good evening, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, thank you. How are you, Sai Mandeep?
Fine, sir.
Okay. 10 ones make a dash.
Huh?
10 ones make a dash.
10 ones, sir.
10 ones are how much?
10 ones are 10.
10. 110. 10 ones are 10. Means 110. Right? Okay. But don't forget
110.
what you are telling, that you save permanently. Okay. I will ask again and again this question. Be alert. Okay. Next. Just a minute. Tanvi,
Yes, sir.
relation, alternate relation among places in decimal.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
Alternate relation among the
Okay, sir.
places in decimal place value chart.
Oh, okay, sir. 10,000, 100. 10 hundredth, 1/10. 10 tenth, 1. 1 1. 10 ones, 110. 10 tenths, 100. 10 hundredths, 1,000.
Okay, very good.
Yesterday I wrote it, sir. That's why I remembered.
Okay, very good, very good. Shashank Reddy.
Can I say place value chart for decimal fractions?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay, go ahead.
1/10, 100, 1,000, 10,000.
Once again.
Again, sir.
Uh,
Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000.
Okay, those are the places in decimal
Fraction.
decimal fractions. Okay, right. Okay. All of you open your rough notebook, mass rough notebook. Yesterday we discussed decimal fractions, place value chart in decimal fractions. I will ask some more questions in this. Karthikeyan. Karthikeyan.
Sir.
1/10 is equal to dash. 1/10 is equal to dash. In decimal number, 1/10.
Sir.
1/10 as a decimal number.
Sir, 0.1.
0.1. 1/100.
0.01.
1/1000.
0.001.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay. We studied this. Next, today we discuss parts of the Tanvi, what will do them? Huh? Tell me.
Sir, in laptop it will not come, sir.
Uh,
In phone it.
okay, okay. Okay. Every decimal number has two values, two parts. Every decimal number has two parts. For example, here is a number. Here is a number. So here is a number. What is this? 75,392.81604. Everyone write this number once. So here is a number. If this is a decimal number. This is a decimal number. Okay, this is a decimal number. We know now decimal number has two parts. The part which is left of this is decimal point. What is this? Decimal point. Decimal point. This is a decimal point. In mathematics, it is a decimal point. In language, this is a full stop. In other subjects, there is another name. But in this decimal fractions, it is a decimal point. Remember, what is this? It is a name. What is the name? Decimal point. Right. The part which is left of the decimal point is called a whole number part. Whole number part. The part which is left of the decimal point is called a whole number part. Another name for whole number part is integral part. Integral part. Another name for a whole number part is integral part. Children, while writing only, save in your mind. I will ask this. After completing my class, I will ask this. Everyone, focus while writing only. The part to the right of the decimal point, the part to the right of the decimal point is called decimal part. Decimal part. Okay. Nityasri. Nityasri. Nityasri.
Yes, sir.
Written? Have written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Close your notebook and tell me.
Sir,
Close your notebook and tell me. Every decimal number has how many parts?
2 parts.
What are they?
Uh, Sir, first one is, sir, first one, what letter I forgot, sir.
Somebody disturbing you, be alert and be concentrate. Okay. Shashank Reddy.
Sir,
Hmm.
first one is decimal part, second one is whole number part or integral part.
Integral part. Right, okay. Sai Charan. Every decimal number has how many parts? Sai Charan. Unmute. Sai Charan. Mhm. Karthikeyan.
Sir,
Every decimal number has how many parts?
the two parts.
What are they?
Sir, decimal part or whole number part or integral part.
No, you are confusing me. Say perfectly.
Sir,
Once again, say correctly.
first one decimal part.
Okay, right. Next.
Second one whole number part or integral part.
Yes, now okay. Okay. Right. But you are changing the order. Okay, no problem. It has two parts. So, okay, good. Tanvi, say in how many parts as a decimal number? And what are they? What are they?
Whole number part and whole number part or integral part and decimal part.
Okay, very good. This is our order. Okay, very good. Sai Charan. Sai Charan. Not responding. Sai Charan. Nityasri.
Yes, sir.
The part to the left of the decimal point is called
Whole number part or integral part.
very good. You are alerted now. Okay, keep it up. Next. Okay. Understood, everyone. Observe here this point. If there is a doubt, you understood, okay, show like this. If you have any doubt, you show like this. I will telling you, these are the indications. Okay. What's your problem, Tanvi?
Nothing, sir. You didn't explain that.
Yes. If there is no integral part in decimal number, we place a zero to give prominence to decimal point. If there is a suppose 0.5, somebody tell 0.5. 0.5 means 0.5. Why should keep this? To give prominence to decimal point, we should keep 0 as a whole number. Okay. 0.5 means what? 0.5 means what? 0.5. 0.5 means what? 0.5. To give prominence to decimal point, to give priority to decimal point, we should keep 0 as whole number. Clear? Okay. Right. This understood. If there is no integral part, means whole number part, in decimal number, we place a 0 to give prominence to decimal point. Okay, right. Understood everyone this point? Sure. Yes. Next, point number 4. The decimal point is placed between the units place and tenths place. See here. Where should keep where we have decimal point? Okay, Shashank Reddy.
Sir, I did not understand if there is no integer part in decimal number.
Suppose there is a 0.5. If there is a 0.5, we should keep a 0. We should put a 0 to give prominence to decimal point.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yes. Next. 4th one. The decimal point is placed between units place and tenths place. Where we have decimal point, the decimal point is placed between units place and tenths place. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Tanvi.
Sir, if you took the example 0.5, no, sir. 0.5 also there will be no value, no, sir, for 0.
So 0.5 means 0.5.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the
For
difference?
0,
What is
no
the
value.
what is the difference? Why should keep this 0? To give prominence. Prominence means priority. To understand.
Okay, okay, sir.
To give clarity. Okay,
sir.
na? Just to support to decimal point. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Next, 5th point. The decimal part of the number is always less than 1. We already observed here. See this. This total part less than 1. This total part is less than 1. This total. Here onwards, this is less than 1. This 0.5. 1 by 10 means 10th part. 1 by 100 means 100th part. 1 by 1000 means 1000th part. Small one. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Nityasri.
No, sir, I did not understand.
Suppose this is 10th. 10th. 10th is greater than 1 or less than 1?
Greater than 1.
10th means, see carefully. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 by 10 means this is 1 by 10. 1 by 10. So this is whole. This is one fruit. This is 1 by part of the fruit. So which is a larger part? 1 or 1 by 10th part? This part.
1, sir.
Which part is larger? This full fruit or this part?
This parts are 1.
1. So that's why this is 1 is greater than 1 by 10. Think like this: 1 by 100, 1 by 1000, 1 by 10,000. Think like this. Clear?
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
Sir, then how many decimal points make 1, sir?
10 tenths. 10 tenths. Here, see carefully. How many in this one? In
Yes,
this,
sir.
how many tenths? How many decimal points in this? Tenths. 10 tenths. This 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. These all are 1 by 10. How
Yes,
many
sir.
1 by 10s make a 10? 10.
10. Okay, sir.
Clear.
10.
How many hundredths make a 1?
100.
Yes, 100. That is small part. 100th part means
Okay, sir.
small part. Clear? Yes. So that's why everyone understood, I think. Point number 5. The decimal part of the number is always less than 1. Clear? Yes, everyone. Okay. Next, the value of decimal fraction is not changed by placing only number of zeros at the end. Suppose here we have 1.2. The value of decimal fraction is not changed by placing only number of zeros at the end. If you keep zeros at the end, number of zeros, how many needed you may keep? There is no change. Not
Sir,
changed.
excuse me, sir. If we keep 5.0,
5.0. No changed. Means 5 only.
okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. So this means how much? 1. I will ask one question. Shashank Reddy, 1.2000 is equal to nothing but what?
1.2.
0.2 only. You told already. 5.0. 5.0 nothing but
5.
5 only. Okay, right.
Yes, sir.
Next point. Fraction with denominator 10 and its multiple can be written in decimal notation and vice versa. Yesterday I told Tanvi this definition, multiples of 10. So remember everyone. Okay. Here means 1 by 10. We can write it decimal notation. Decimal notation means 0.1. 1 by 10, 100 or 1 by 10 square is equal to decimal notation
0.01.
0.01. Okay.
Sir, what is after can be written in decimal notation and vice versa?
వైస్ వెర్సా మీన్స్ ఇటు నుంచి అటు అటు నుంచి ఇటు ఎట్లా రాసినా రాయొచ్చు, ఎట్లా రాసినా కరెక్టే. అంటే 0.1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1/10. దిస్ వైస్ వెర్సా. వైస్ వెర్సా మీన్స్ this to that, that to this.
Okay,
In
sir.
English what? Vice versa. Vice versa means what? This to that, that to this. That is the vice versa. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is called vice versa. Right. Next 0.01. How can we write? How can we write?
1 by
vice versa.
100.
1/100.
1/100.
So this is vice versa. Clear? There is no change, no difference.
Okay,
Right.
sir.
Understood, everyone. So basing this, we have to do exercise 6.1 today.
Okay, sir.
Teachers,
No, sir, I'm showing thumb impression.
confident. Okay. Understood. Right. Okay. Now tell me this answer. Okay. 105 and 6/10. Tell me. Write the decimal for each of the following. Say decimal. 105. Okay, ma. Unmute.
Sir, I did not.
105. 105. How to write 105? Tanvi. Right, okay. Tanvi.
105, sir.
105.
105.
And 6/10. 6/10 means
0.6. 0.6.
0.6. 0.6. Right, this one.
125.
125.
125.4.
0.4.
4.
Means 4.
10.
Okay.
If
Good.
Sir, can I tell third one?
Yes.
Is it 20.2?
Yes. Next.
8.6. 8.6.
Okay. Very good. Okay, Shashank Reddy.
Sir,
Tell
8.
me this.
Which one, sir? Fifth one? 123.4, sir. 0.4.
Wrong. Who can say this answer? Rakshit. Rakshit.
Sir, 0.04.
Yes. 0.04. Because
4.
tenths no. No tenths. No hundredths. No hundredths. Here given thousands. 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 So that's why 123.004. Yes. Okay. Rakshit, very good. Well said. Kartikeya.
Sir,
Can you say this? Write the place value of each underlined digit.
no, sir.
I will tell you one. Known already?
Okay, sir.
Don't know. Tell me.
No, sir. Sir, I don't know, sir.
Okay, I will tell you one problem. You ready to tell next one.
Okay, sir.
Here, this is once tens. This sorry, once this. What this? Once. Once. So 4. What is the answer? Place value of this 4 is
4.
what? 4 only. Place value. Place
Okay,
value.
sir.
So this is a tenths, hundredths. This water. Hundredths.
Hundreds.
Hundredths. Hundredths. 8 hundredths.
Sir, 0.
8 hundredths. 8 hundredths means 8 hundredths means 8 by 100. 8 hundredths means what? 8 by 100. Say next one. Say this. Which place this 9?
The 10th place.
Tenths. Tenths. Say this.
Sir, 9 by 10.
Yes, 9 by 10.
Sir, 9th one.
Wait. Okay, understood you. Tell me this 9th one. Which place 5? Which place this 5?
10th place. 10th.
10ths. What? 10ths.
10th.
So, say
10th.
5 tenths. 5 tenths, how like right? 5 tenths.
Sir, I did not understood, sir, that one.
9 tenths, how like right? 9 by 10. 9 tenths, 9 by 10. 8 hundredths, 8 by 100. 9 tenths, 9 by 10. 5 tenths, how like?
5 by 10.
Yes, that only. Here only answer. You no need of confuse. 5 by 10.
Okay.
5 tenths means 5 by 10. Say now this.
Okay.
Tenths.
100th
Say this.
place.
Hundredths.
100th place. 100.
Yes, hundredths. So place value.
Place value 3 only, sir.
Hundredths. 3 hundredths. Once again, go back. See here. 8 hundredths, 8 by 100. 9 tenths, 9 by 10. 5 tenths, 5 by 10. 3 hundredths.
3 by 100.
Yes, 3 by 100. 3 hundredths, 3 by 100. Okay? Shashank
Okay,
Reddy.
Sir,
Ah,
6.7 by 4. Sir,
say this.
7 by 10. 7 by 10.
7 is in which place?
Tenth.
Tenths. So 7 by 10.
By 10.
Understood everyone? Show your thumb. Okay, right. Okay, Abrar, okay.